Here's what no one tells you when you're shopping for a walk-in bathtub. The price that you see is never the price you pay. Now, I'm not talking about hidden fees. I'm talking about regret, hassle, damage, embarrassment. That's the real cost. There are 3 hidden costs that don't show up on the invoice, but always show up in real life. Stress, the emotional toll of not knowing who to trust. Inconvenience, delays, install nightmares. One of the major name brand companies has 50% water leaks when their installation crew leaves the job in the first place. That's ridiculous. You pay once for the tub and twice to fix it. See, when companies push flash sales or limited time offers or you gotta buy it today, they're not helping you. They're rushing your decision. I've spoken to hundreds of people who've cried on the phone with me saying, I thought I was doing the right thing, but it's not what I expected. This isn't just about getting a good deal. It's about spending years wishing you could undo it. That's outrageous. So let's reframe this for you. The smartest walk-in tub buyers don't just ask, what does it cost? They ask, what will this decision cost me if I get it wrong? And what is it going to do for me if I get it right? And that one shift, that changes everything. In the next video, I'm going to give you a single question that instantly tells you whether the walk-in tub salesman you're talking to knows what they're talking about or if they're just trying to get your money. You're going to want to write this one down, okay? If you're serious about avoiding these hidden costs, grab the Safe Bathing Checklist now or just give us a call. I'm here to help. Check the next video. It could literally help change your life.